If your vehicle is equipped with power seat adjustments, look for this switch on the side of your seat. Simply slide it forward or backward, and the seat will move in that direction. Push down or pull up on the switch to move the seat up or down, or to adjust the angle of the seat. Push this switch backward to recline the seat, or forward to bring the seat upright. If so equipped, the powered lumbar support feature provides lower back support to the driver. Use this switch to adjust the lumbar support. To fold the second row bench seat flat, pull up on this lever and lower the seat back. If so equipped, there is also a lever in the cargo area. It may be necessary to remove the rear seat headrests or head restraints before folding the rear seats. To return to an upright position, push up on the seat back until it latches in place. If you have removed or adjusted the headrest or head restraints, reinstall and properly adjust them before an occupant uses these seating positions. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.